Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Oh, the land of the free and the home of the brave, the
Share the ball with the teammates. Play defense. Defense should be like on the string. Listen, you get an open opportunity, put it in the hole. Too easy? Hey, win on three. 1, 2, 3. Win! 2-3 for the goal. Hey, go.
MicCheckM.I.A. Mr. Van Johnson. Mr. Johnson, you coming to see the Savannah Hurricanes. Tell me what you think about Mr. Streeter and his new venture here.
Hey, look, Savannah is the greatest city on earth. We deserve to have a professional basketball team. We have that now in the Savannah Hurricanes. We're excited about it, what that means for our community, but more importantly, that this team will give back to the community, helping inspire young boys and girls that may never have the opportunity to see professional basketball, but to see it in person. And so to be mentored and give back opportunities to connect with these guys. We're excited about what this means for our city.
Okay, thank you, Chuck, for coming.
All right.
guess what? They're not gonna let this stay this way. Y'all gotta feel them. All right, let's go. Let's go, man. Fire hard 3. 1, 2, 3. Fire hard. Let's go.
right, Coach, the home opener is over.
Yeah.
I won 94-91. You had a little bit of adversity, but y'all came through.
Yeah.
Let's talk about it.
Yeah, today's win was a tough one. I thought, we started the first half off kind of slow, a lot of turnovers. I think we were a little nervous. Understand this is our first home crowd, and so guys came out a little tight. But I thought once we had locked in on defense, we was trying to trust our habits. The game started to turn a little bit. I knew they was going to trap our best player tonight, and our guys was going to make threes. And we talked about that walk through it in our pregame warm-up today. And we were able to fight a tough opponent and get a win today.
Okay, I'm here with Mr. Chris Rollins, the GM of the Hurricanes. First home game, Mr. Rollins, tell me about it.
Well, Big Tone, this first home game, we were looking forward to it, and we were not disappointed. It was a barn burner from the beginning. We saw these guys last week, and they represented the city of Birmingham, but we just came home with the W. We're very excited for the city, the team, the coaches. It was a great platform for our home game.
Had a great turnout. Some dignitaries there.
Yes. We had quite a few dignitaries from politicians, military, families, and the fans. The fans love us. We love them back. So we're looking forward to next week to having even a greater turnout. So we play back-to-back home games. We hope to see you here then.
I'll be back.
All right.
I appreciate you. Thank you,
brother.
Thank
you.
Okay, Mr. Streeter, first home game. Tell me about it.
I was really encouraged by the number of people that came out here today. I'm gonna tell you, man, the word spread, and I think we gave them a good show. Our players had to overcome some things early, and we were a little sloppy, a little choppy, but that was a very good Birmingham Outlaws team. They gave us all we could run for last week, and to come here again seeking revenge, man, they really came out of the blocks and they jumped on us pretty good. But we rallied back and we figured out a way to win when it really counted. We knocked down some three-pointers and we maintained a little ball discipline on them. But I'm really excited about the embracing that the city's given us. Mayor Johnson came down today. Wade Harrington, who's running for Congress, came through. We had Representative Diane Reed from Hinesville in the house, man. My mother came down surprisingly from D.C. Okay. She turns 88 on tomorrow, man. Wow. So what a birthday present it was for her, for our players to come in here and get the W. Hey, MicCheck, hey, just like I said before, man, you guys have been with us from the very beginning. We really appreciate it. We asked everybody to be here again next Saturday at 3 p.m. where we tip off against a strong team coming out of Duval County down in Florida that's coming up here. And Hurricanes are 3-0, man. We're looking to go 4-0. Go Hurricanes. Thanks, MicCheck.
Thank you for having us, brother.
One
more question. So tell us about Dan Savannah. The young people came out and they
Let me tell you, man, that's one of our proudest partnerships. It gives us an opportunity to utilize our platform to elevate theirs, man, and to bring a little attention to that dance school that's down there doing great things, man. One of the problems that's plaguing our youth right now, Tony, is obesity, man. So we got to get our youth active, and that's what Dan Savannah does. And so anything that contributes to healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, discipline, and character improvement in our youth, that's where you're going to find the Hurricanes partner that, and that's Dan Savannah's an example of the kind of partnerships that we're seeking to have.
No doubt about it. Thank you, good brother, for talking to us.
All right.
Appreciate you.
Go Hurricanes.